What if everything you learned was a lie? We're told they built the wonders of the world.
With simple copper tools.
But then, how do you explain this?
A 100-ton box, machined with a precision.
Our own modern technology struggles to match.
To find the answer, we have to go back 4,500 years to the official story.
The official story is one of history's greatest triumphs.
For 20 years, tens of thousands of workers,
using simple copper chisels and hemp ropes. To lift blocks weighing over 80 tons.
The story is simple. It's inspiring. It's what's written in every textbook.
this comfortable story has a dark and bizarre secret. To build the pyramid in 20 years.
Every 5 minutes, 24 hours a day for 20 years.
And they supposedly did this, using this.
This is Aswan granite. It is one of the hardest stones on Earth.
But the real mystery, the shocking part, isn't the weight.
It's the precision. The 13-acre base of the Great Pyramid
Is perfectly level to within ½ inch. And it's aligned to true north. With an accuracy that we couldn't match until the 17th century, after the invention of the telescope.
How? This isn't just skilled labor. This is superhuman precision.
Of this strange history. In the Temple of Hathor.
Mainstream Egyptologists tell us this is just a jed pillar and a lotus flower, purely symbolic. But just look at it.
It has a filament, a socket, and even a thick cable, which connects to a battery.
Why would they carve this? And it gets.
High on a temple ceiling in Abydos, we find perhaps the most bizarre.
Carved into solid stone are clear depictions of a modern helicopter, a submarine, and a futuristic aircraft.
Mainstream science claims this is just a palimpsest, a coincidence, where new hieroglyphs were lazily carved over old ones.
But a helicopter?
Hiding in plain sight, untold evidence of a technology that should not exist. But if you want the one, shocking,
You happen to come back here, underground.
In 1850, archaeologist Auguste Mariette blasted his way into this dark, terrifying labyrinth. He wasn't prepared for what he found. And frankly, we still aren't.
20 massive granite boxes. Each one.
Weighing 70 tons. The lids, 30 tons. How? How did they move a 100-ton object?
Into these tiny tunnels? But that is not the shocking part.
Modern engineers brought precision instruments here. What they found is terrifying.
The surfaces are perfectly flat, to within 2/10,000ths of an inch.
This isn't handiwork. This is high-level machining.
And the drill holes found here and at Giza.
They show spiral grooves, tool marks.
That indicate a feed rate, a drill speed.
That is 500 times greater than what a modern diamond-tipped drill can achieve.
Advanced, high-speed, precision machinery?
The evidence doesn't fit the story. They have no logical explanation for the Serapeum boxes. But one theory
Flying saucer.
Does explain it all. It's a theory that's been laughed at for decades.
The ancient astronaut theory. What if the Egyptians had help?
To build these monuments? What if the pyramids weren't tombs at all, but machines?
What if the Dendera light bulb wasn't a symbol, but a fact? We are told one story, but the stones, they tell another. Is this the work of human genius alone? Or is this the untold that proves a lost, advanced intelligence walked the sands of Egypt?
What do you think? Let us know your theory in the comments below.